In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit your email signature in Hosting or Webmail. Whether you're setting up a new signature or updating an existing one, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step so you can make sure your emails always leave a lasting impression. First, you'll need to log into your Hosting or Webmail account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hosting or Webmail login page. Enter your credentials carefully, your email address and password to access your account. Make sure you're typing them correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be welcomed by the main dashboard of Hosting or Webmail. Now take a look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Click on it to access various customization options available for your email account. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to find the section labeled either Identities or Email Signature. Depending on the version of Hosting or Webmail you're using, the exact name might vary slightly, but both serve the same purpose. Click on this section to open it, which will allow you to view and modify your email signature settings. With the email signature settings open, you can now proceed to add a new signature or edit an existing one. Here's where you can get creative. Think about what information you want to include: your name, your title, contact information, and perhaps a short, friendly message. Some people like to add a company logo for that extra professional touch. Regardless of your choice, ensure that your signature aligns with your overall personal or professional branding. If you're adding a new signature, type your details into the provided text box. Hosting or Webmail may offer simple text formatting tools to help you customize the appearance of your text, like bold, italics, and underlining, to make it look just the way you want it. If you're editing a current signature, simply click on the existing text and make your desired changes. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, your next step is crucial. You need to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located somewhere within the settings window or at the bottom. Simply click it to ensure all your changes are securely stored. It might sound straightforward, but it's a step that's easy to overlook if you're rushing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added or edited your email signature in Hosting or Webmail. Make sure to send a test email to yourself or a friend to see how it looks in practice, just to confirm everything is displaying just as you intended. Having a professional-looking email signature can make a big impact, giving your messages that polished edge and conveying your identity clearly. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.